In today's video, I'll teach you how to upload high quality snaps on Snapchat. First of all, launch open Snapchat application on your device. Make sure you're logged in to your account. You can see over here Snapchat has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So the quality of your snaps directly depends upon your phone's camera. If the quality of your phone is good, you'll be able to upload and send the high quality snaps. But still, there are few things that you can do in order to upload the high quality snaps. First thing that you have to ensure is strong internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. After you do that, whenever you click the snap, the quality of the snap will be good. And whenever you send it or upload it, the quality will not be degraded. Also, another thing that you can do is simply close the background apps. You'll have to free up your device's resources by closing other apps in order to improve Snapchat's camera performance, especially on older or mid-range devices. So if you have opened any other applications, make sure to close it. After you do that, simply try clicking the snap and sending it. The quality of the snap can be improved. Likewise, there's also another thing that you can do. What you can do is simply disable the data saver. If data saver is enabled on your device, that might also be the reason your snap can be of low quality. So what you have to do is simply disable the data saver. After you do that, simply try clicking the snap and try uploading it. The quality of your snap should be high. So like this, you'll be able to acquire the high quality snaps. After you click the snaps, the quality can also be enhanced by simply turning on the retouch. For that, tap on this icon that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here retouch is enabled. Like this too, you'll be able to enhance the quality to some extent. So if you want to upload it, what you can do is simply tap on this option stories that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to upload it to the story. Likewise, you can also send it to other people if you want. For that, tap on this option send to. After you do that, you'll be able to send it to your friends. So like this, you'll be able to send or upload the high quality snaps. So that is how you upload high quality snaps on Snapchat. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.